treasure.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, NT Squad? It's your girl, Meka Lashia. Squad, I'm hard. Oh, Lord. What's up, everybody? For those of you who come across this video, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, go right now and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you have notification bells on so you'll be notified whenever we drop a video or whenever we go live next. Smash the like button. So, listen real quick, y'all. I am starting to get into a lot of influential business and promotions with different companies. So as of now, I'm partnering with Amazon. So I'm doing a wig review today. Just unboxing and showing how it looks. I'll add the separate video on, you know, after I've done my hair and everything. I'll add that separate. Right now, I'm just, you know, I'm just giving a review on how it looks or whatever, y'all. This is for my ladies. So y'all are going to see a lot more of these types of videos with me, you know, doing reviews on products and stuff that I try. So this is the wig, y'all. It's actually a 30-inch wig. I just opened it. It's 30 inches. It's a 13 by 6. Yeah, it's a 13 by 6. Now I hold on. I can't actually take this off and just put it on my head real quick so y'all can just see how it looks. I ain't finna just actually do it right now. Cause I gotta take the combs and stuff out. I don't like keeping combs. I don't like putting combs and stuff, keeping the combs on my wigs. I take them off or whatever. So this is how it looks, y'all. Like I said, it's supposed to be 30 inches. I'm trying to see is it giving 30 inches to me. I guess. I just had took out some 26-inch hair and I guess this it'll be, I guess it feels like it's about 30, but I'm going to actually do some plucking and all of the extra stuff, you know, to the wig or whatever after you know, I get off of here. And for everyone that wants to see the finished look, I'm gonna add that on a second video because this is just me you know, giving my review on it, on how it looks right now, how I think it looks right now. The texture is good. Like I said, it's a 13 by 6. You see, you can part it in the middle, the side, or whatever. And how I came upon this wig is I was watching another young lady. She was actually doing some hair, and she attached this link to the wig, and this is the wig. How much was this wig? I think it was 120 something, you know, tax and everything. It's like 120 something dollars or whatever. But yeah, I'm trying it out to see, you know, the quality, how long it lasts, the shedding, everything like that. But right now, I was just giving a unboxing review on, you know, how it looks, how it feels. It feels okay. It feels pretty good. On how it feels, I give it, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it, I'm gonna give it about a 7. I'm gonna give it a 7 or whatever. But like I said, I'm fixing to take it off, you know, customize it to my head, how I like it and everything like that. And like I said, I'll add a separate video. I will also, at the end of this video, I will add in a clip of my Amazon influencer account so that you all can go see the other products, because I did have I have a link to the 26-inch hair that I was telling y'all I had bought. Those were bundles I had to sew in. But yeah, and you can check out some of the other products that I have on Amazon, y'all. Y'all let me know if y'all thinking about, you know, purchasing this wig or whatever. And I will have more content like this for the ladies coming pretty soon. If y'all are not subscribed to the channel, y'all go subscribe right now, because we're gonna have a lot more of this going on for the ladies. We're gonna have stuff that we're gonna review that's gonna be for, you know, versatile for the men too. But right now, this video is for the ladies. Y'all make sure y'all like the video, and see you on the next review. Peace.